Hello students, Nirmala here. Today we will study the next topic, the reign of terror. Reign of terror, reign means शासन, terror आतंक, आतंक का शासन. The period from 1793 to 1794 is referred to as the reign of terror. We can see here in this picture, one huge platform is there and one device is kept on that platform. 1793 to 1794, Robespierre followed a policy of severe control and punishment. We have seen that after the execution of the king, the Jacobin club came to power, and as Robespierre was his leader, he became the ruler. And when he came in power, he followed a policy of severe control and punishment. And through this policy, whomever he saw being enemies of the republic were arrested and imprisoned. And here we can see this device. We will come to know about it afterwards. They then were tried by a revolutionary tribunal and if found guilty were guillotined. Now this is the device through which he used to punish his enemies. These included ex-nobles and clergy, members of other political parties, as Robespierre belonged to the poor class. He was the enemy of nobles and clergy, and even members of his own party who did not agree with his methods. He used to punish them. They were sent to be guillotined on this device. The guillotine is a device, as we can see here, consisting of two poles and a blade. There is one blade with which a person is beheaded, and it was named after Dr. Guillotine, who invented it. Robespierre pursued his policy so relentlessly that even his supporters began to demand moderation. With severity was there, he had become cruel, so they wanted him to be less cruel, and that is known as the moderation. And finally, he was convicted by a court in July 1794. He was arrested and next day sent to the guillotine. The same fate he was giving to other citizens. Robespierre's government issued laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and prices. Ceiling means control. There was a control on wages and prices, and meat and bread were rationed. As you know, ration means limited amount they were given. That is the rationing. All citizens were required to eat the pain de equality bread, a loaf made of whole wheat. Same type of bread all the citizens had to eat. Equality was to be practiced through forms of speech and addresses as well as before. All men and women were addressed as Monsieur and Madame. Now they were to be addressed as citoyen and citoyenne. Churches were shut down as he was the greatest enemy of the clergies and church. So he shut the churches and used their buildings into as offices and barracks. A directory rule in France. After the fall of the Jacobin government, means when Robespierre was guillotined, the rule of the Jacobin fall, and when Robespierre was ruling at time, lower middle class and poor people were ruling the country because Jacobin club belonged to the poor people. So the new constitution was introduced, and this constitution denied the vote to the non-property section of society. It provided for two elected legislative council. It means two legislative councils were elected to safeguard against the concentration of power in a one-man executive as was under the Jacobins. When there were two legislative councils, to keep check on these council, a directory of made up of 5 members was appointed. Means now in France, directory rule came into existence. You have to understand it again that there were two legislative councils, and to keep check on this council, a directory of 5 members was appointed. But however, the directors often clashed with the legislative councils, and this created political disability in France. And during this time, it became easy for Napoleon Bonaparte to come and be a ruler of France. Thank. Have a nice day.